Sing.
Rachel Geall Legish
Leish.
Egin on 5.
An Ibe. So Rachel, Geall, Leish, Egan, and Ibe. So.
Is that second word boy?
No, that's Buchel's boy. Geall actually is bottle. Leish, anyone know Leish or Leish?
Something
Medicine.
with him.
Medicine. So Geall Leish is a bottle of medicine.
So a bottle of medicine would write the wrong.
Yeah, right. The problem. Yeah, fix the problem. So, 5 is a problem. So, and Ibe is the problem. 11, Heather.
Jak dokter by Aegis Warionach Hilhardo.
Okay, right. So Dedach doctor be Aegis Warionach Hilhardo. So Dedach. Remember that one? Dedach. Huh? Okay. How about doctor be?
Doctor at all.
Any doctor, yeah, doctor at all. So Dedach could. Okay, so any doctor could. Aegis Warionach. Yeah, Aegis is a recipe, but it's also when you think doctors write out a prescription. Yeah, it has a couple different meanings. Warionach means suitable. So, suitable prescription. A holacherdo. You guys want to try it?
In his doctor book.
But
Strengthen.
to provide to him, actually. Provide to him, sulacher. Okay? Yeah. Okay, number 12, Bob.
Hanig sé plata fráis walla Cúig na sráide.
Okay, so Hanukkah plot the prosh.
You saw the plate on outside the door for the doctor's office.
Okay.
Because
So, wait.
Sorry.
So Hanukkah, you got some of it, but not all of it. So Hanukkah is what?
he saw.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, wait, Bob, wait. Plot the prosh. You want to know what pros is?
Wait of France.
Brass.
A brass plate.
Actually, I guess it looks like English brass.
Brass
That's
plate
related. Okay, Erwalla. Anyone know
on the wall.
Wait,
Sorry.
Kathleen.
There's no Gaelic word for wall there. It's copy from English.
There's a different kind of word. There's a word clee, but it's a different kind of wall. It's those rock walls that you see in Ireland are clee.
This is wall.
Yeah, because traditionally it wasn't. Things weren't built like that. So there's a different word for which that you don't really have a good English equivalent for. I guess would be clee. It's either fence or wall, but it's kind of one thing. Okay, I'm sure there's other words too. Okay, so Hanukkah plat prosh erwalla, which is on a wall. Okay, Igunius Nasraija.
It's on the street. Because all the doctors have the plates on outside with their names on them.
I'm gonna get out duct tape.
Okay, Kunya Nasraija. Okay, so, you guys, Kunya? Corn, okay. Kunya Nasraija. Okay. So, yeah,
I was just guessing.
yeah.
Like edible corn?
No, corner.
Corner
On the
of the street.
On the corner
Okay,
of the
so-
street.
Kathleen, you want to read number 13?
Okay. On Dr. Sean O'Leipta, Dr. August Meon Leah.
So, Dr. Shana Lecha, Dr. Agus Menlia. Okay. Menlia. Is that? Yeah, you guys know what it is? You might know. Surgeon it is.
Surgeon.
Just
Yeah.
Leah's surgeon, right?
Leah's a surgeon. Manlia is also a surgeon. There's Tredgelia is a vet, so that's probably a good word to know for some of you. So number 14, Heather, you want to read that one?
Yeah, following fair show and no.
Okay. So Yenach and Farsho and Gano. So everyone else first. And Farsho.
The man there?
And Farsho close. The man and
Here.
Farsho. This man. And Farsho. So Yenach. You want to know what Yenach would mean? Would do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you guys want to give us the whole thing? So Yenach and Farsho and Gano. What do you think that means? Yeah, this man would fit the bill. This man will do the job. Okay. Okay. Literally, this man would do the business. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay. Number 15, Bob.
Hill sé isteach agus thug a ainion don chalín ag an deasc.
Okay, so everyone except three.
Okay,
So
I'm
Huel
fine.
she isteach.
Walk
inside.
Walk the inside. Agus hog anam.
His name.
Wait, Bob, not you're one of the ones that can't speak yet. Okay, hoga anam don chalin.
To the girl.
Bob. Again, death
Think of that one.
at the desk. Okay. Okay, so you guys should know all those words. Okay.
Is that an anglicized word again?
Yeah.
So what's the time cutoff? Are we talking 1300s?
You probably have two things. I think a lot of more modern things are gonna get picked up because people had to, they dealt with them and probably learned the English words for them and used the English words in Irish. Some of them have to do probably because the Irish word is more specialized for something and has a different meaning
So
slightly.
the
than
corner
English.
of the Queenia, that's the corner of a street?
Yeah, Cúig.
So,
Now, some words that look like English are probably from either Latin or from Old Indo-European that got borrowed in, maybe some from French. But there's a lot of that kind of stuff that that maybe vaguely look like English. And some go back before a few thousand years ago. So,
The Saxons or the
So.
Vikings.
well, I could probably even way before that. So, okay. So let's see, number 16. You want to read that one first, Kathleen?
Treri shisha is jonks the shumra fehve.
So chrory shisha is jax shomer feheve. So I don't remember the word chrory.
Inside the room.
Okay, the room.
What?
Shomer
Inside the
feheve.
room.
Okay, and you guys can all take a shot at it now. You know what chrory is?
Enter?
Huh?
Is it enter?
Chrory. There's the word thror. You want to know what thror is? Thror is a direction. So chrory is
She
to
directed him
direct or
into the
lead or
Oh,
guide or
is
yeah,
that-
directed.
waiting room?
Yeah, so shomer fehev. Okay. Yeah, I think one of the bingo things we had the word fehev. It's the guy leaning against the wall waiting for something. So shomer fehev is a waiting room,
Oh.
room of waiting. Okay,
Why is there A at the end? Is that?
him. So she directed him into the. So she directed she into the room of waiting him. Okay. And number 17, Heather.
Vian Shomra Plodahaldini.
Okay, so Vian shomer plodi hiladini. So
Which one?
Full of people?
yeah, full of people.
Had a 50% chance of either
Okay.
full or empty.
All right. Bob, 18, you want to read for us?
We komen de bochtanjechte vorm, vorwar.
Yeah. So we come the bochten after war, depending on.
Suggested.
Okay, this one's going to be a little harder.
There was.
So you want another word, bocht?
Bocht is poor,
Poor.
poor boy, poor.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, they were all.
I'll let you guys all do this one. Anyone want to take a shot at this whole sentence?
Or it's a poor miss, poor health, poor personage.
Yeah. So actually, there's
There's
an appearance of poverty on most of them.
Oh,
The what?
Okay, comma is appearance in this case.
What is poverty?
Your more?
both,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
most of them, they were poor.
So
people.
comma is
Comma
appearance.
appearance.
It's
It's
the
poor.
main meaning of comma is appearance.
Yeah.
Comma na bochtenachta is appearance of poverty.
Poverty,
Bochtenacht is
yeah.
poverty. And bochtenacht of poverty. Era war on most of them. Okay. Basically on the majority of them. Huh? For war is majority. And era war on their majority on most of them. Okay. Kathleen, you want to read number 19?
Stan siad go fiasrach an gula chastasach a bhí air.
Okay, so except you three. Stan shiad. Is there no word stan?
Stop.
Not stop. Something you do with your eyes. Stan shiad.
There.
Stared. Go fisrach. What do you think fisrach means? Fis is knowledge, huh?
Knowingly.
Actually, fisrach, wanting to know,
Seriously.
curiously or inquisitively. Er and gully. You know what gully? Gully. You guys? Clothes or suit? Yeah, suit actually. Chostasach. What's that sound like? Costly. A VR.
It was
It
on.
was on him that he was wearing, right? Okay, and 20 for the.
Deir sé míchompórdach mar go raibh gafnin ag áhar agus thug sé iris an mór agus lí sé ar go raibh sé le.
Okay, so first of all, everyone, these we need to hold up. Darisha mi chompordach. What do you think that means?
Woke up and goes.
He arose, Irish say.
Wait, that's not. Mi chompordach.
He arose.
What do you think what do you think compordach means? Comfortable. So Darisha mi chompordach. I'll let you guys take a shot at it too. This might be a little harder sentence for
Is
you.
that
He got uncomfortable, or he became uncomfortable. Margorev gach dinne ig our care.
They were all looking at, all the people were looking at him.
Okay. I guess, does anyone know what Yiddish is?